In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Google Drive folder for added privacy and security. With the increasing importance of digital privacy, knowing how to protect your files in Google Drive is essential. Now let's dive into the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Enter your login details to access your account if necessary. Once you're logged in, take a moment to identify the folder you want to secure. Now, while Google Drive doesn't have an inbuilt feature to lock a folder with a password directly, there are several ways to achieve a similar level of security using available tools and strategies. One effective method is to use a third-party application or service that allows folder encryption. Research and choose a reputable application that offers the ability to encrypt files and folders. This is crucial because you want to ensure your data is protected with the highest level of security available. After you've selected a suitable application, download and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and follow the specific instructions for encrypting folders within your Google Drive. Typically, you'll need to create a strong, unique password. Remember, your password is your first line of defense, so make sure it's something robust, comprising a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like birth dates or simple words. Encrypt the folder you selected earlier. The app will generate an encrypted version of your folder, which you can then upload back to Google Drive. It's essentially like putting your folder in a locked box before placing it in the cloud. When your folder is safely encrypted and uploaded on Google Drive, it will be secure from unauthorized access. Remember, you'll need the specific application to decrypt and access the files, so keep this software on hand and ensure you remember your encryption password. Another helpful tip is to regularly update your passwords and keep an eye on your Google Drive activity. Google provides a security section that allows you to monitor when and where your account has been accessed. Periodically reviewing this information helps ensure that only authorized people are accessing your drive. To wrap up, while Google Drive lacks a direct folder locking feature, using third-party encryption tools effectively enhances your privacy. It's all about taking proactive steps to safeguard your digital documents. With your newly encrypted folders, you can rest easy knowing your files are that much safer. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Feel free to explore other ways to secure your online presence and protect those precious files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital security tips and tricks. Take care, and happy securing.